Hello, Tampa. This is Mayor Jane Castor. As you know, COVID-19 has been spreading across the world, causing an outbreak of respiratory illnesses. I realize that for many of our residents, you're feeling stressed, anxious, and concerned about coronavirus, but we cannot give in to fear and panic. We must remain calm, keep a steady hand, and follow the guidance of the CDC. I want us all to remember that Tampa is a strong and resilient city. We've been through challenges before, and we will emerge from this challenge a stronger and more unified community. But we have to do it together. The coronavirus outbreak is rapidly evolving, and we are still learning more every day. So far, we know that our elderly residents and those with pre-existing medical conditions are at the highest risk of developing severe illnesses. But anyone can contract the disease and spread it to others, even without symptoms. Community spread has already begun in Florida, and there is no doubt it is already happening here in Tampa. When this spread occurs, we risk transmitting the disease to the most vulnerable members of our community who may not have the immune systems to successfully fight it. Community spread also burdens our healthcare system and puts our doctors, nurses, and medical staff at risk of infection. That's why we need every member of our community to do their part to stop the spread and flatten the curve by practicing social distance. Over the last few weeks, I've been in constant communication with a myriad of community partners, including federal, state, and local leadership, to ensure we are working in lockstep to keep our residents as safe as possible from the spread of this disease. The best way that we can prevent community spread and protect Tampa is by practicing social distancing. This means staying at least 6 feet apart from each other, staying at home when possible, and limiting all contact with others. We need everyone in our community to take personal responsibility. Wash your hands, practice social distancing, and follow the guidelines of the CDC. By following these steps, you can protect yourself and potentially save a life. The City of Tampa is working around the clock with the Florida Department of Health to prevent the spread of coronavirus. We are responding proactively and aggressively to protect our community and keep our residents informed. Last week, we started actively limiting public gatherings, canceling large events, and curtailing city activities. And today, I'm ordering that all bars and restaurants limit their occupancy to 50% their max capacity starting Tuesday, March 17th at noon, and requiring that they close no later than 10 p.m. nightly until further notice. This is just one of the many steps we're taking to ensure the safety of our residents and of our workforce. We know that this is a challenging time for many of our local restaurant owners and their staff. Our community is here for you, and we are doing everything that we can to limit the impact of COVID-19 and offer relief. That's why we've assembled an economic recovery task force focused on next steps to ensure a smooth recovery process via federal, state, and local funding. Just a few minutes ago, Governor DeSantis announced that he's opening a $50 million disaster bridge loan with a turnaround time of as soon as 2 weeks. I encourage Tampa's businesses to apply as soon as possible as these funds are limited. To apply, please go to sbdctampabay.com/coronavirus. Also, we're developing a one-stop shop on our website to receive up-to-the-minute information as it becomes available on the programs we are putting in place. Take out your phones and text TAMPABIZ, all one word, to 888-777. We are also asking our community to support our local restaurants through takeout and delivery options. As of today, Uber Eats is now foregoing their delivery fee for locally owned restaurants in the Tampa Bay area. Small businesses are the backbone of our community, and we are doing everything that we can to alleviate the burden of COVID-19 while prioritizing public health. We're asking you to do the same. Please support our local restaurants through takeout or delivery during these trying times. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, our restaurants are here to serve you. We're living in an unprecedented time, but we will get through this together, Tampa, even if it means spending a little time apart. And remember, we are all facing this together. One world, one nation, and one city, all working together to stop the spread and protect our communities. So for more information, please go to tampagov.net, text TAMPAREADY or TAMPALISTA to 888-777 for emergency alerts, and TAMPABIZ to 888-777 for business recovery resources. As this progresses, we will continue to update and inform the public. Thank you to our City of Tampa team, and thank you to our City of Tampa residents. Stay safe and God bless.